Good morning, class 6. How you all are? Hope you all are well. In today's class, we are going to start a new chapter from civics. Chapter 5, Panchayati Raj. So, in the previous classes, we had seen so many things about our country, about adult franchise, about the elections, about democracy, and so many things. In this chapter, basically we will discuss कि what happened after the elections. Means elections हो जाते हैं, हमको हमारे group of ministers मिल जाते हैं, how they work. This we are going to learn in the coming chapters. In today's class, that is chapter 5 Panchayati Raj. Basically we will discuss the system of administration in a gram और विलेज. पंचायती राज मीन्स बहुत पहले से आप लोगों ने इस वर्ड को सुना होगा पंचायत. Many years back when we were somewhat belong to the rural India, on those days or from those days we had a panchayat kind of government where the five peoples they sit together and they take important decisions for the village. That was the system. And in our the modern India, that system is modified. उस सिस्टम को थोड़ा और मॉडिफाई किया गया है, उसमें डेमोक्रेसी को ऐड किया गया है. एंड बेसिकली वी विल डिस्कस दैट इन दिस चैप्टर कि जो गवर्नमेंट है हाउ इट फंक्शंस इन अ ग्राम और विलेज. एज द नेम ऑफ चैप्टर इटसेल्फ इज पंचायती राज. Raj means system. Okay. So what system is prevalent in the village that we will discuss in this class. The first thing that we have to understand is Gram Sabha and Gram Panchayat. These two words. Very clear. The word Gram, it means village. Okay. Gram Sabha. Sabha means assembly. That means group of people. Okay, एक मीटिंग. तो बेसिकली ग्राम सभा क्या होता है? It is a meeting where all the adults of a village, adult means 18 years or above. As we had seen कि in adult universal adult franchise, every person who is 18 years or above, they are eligible for voting or participate in election. The same way ग्राम सभा क्या होता है कि एक मीटिंग होता है और उस मीटिंग में उस ग्राम के उस विलेज के सारे मेंबर्स जो एडल्ट हैं दैट मीन्स 18 इयर्स और अबव वो सब पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं. और उस सभा उस असेंबली उस मीटिंग में जो भी प्रॉब्लम है विच इज रिलेटेड टू द विलेज दैट इज डिस्कस एंड द सॉल्यूशन इज ट्राई टू वर्क आउट. ग्राम पंचायत अगेन ग्राम मीन्स village, panchayat means government. The form of government which is made in a village that is called gram panchayat. So try to understand the difference between gram sabha. gram sabha में सारे के सारे members आ जाते हैं ग्राम के village के जो 18 years और above है. And when we talk about gram panchayat तो सिर्फ वो members जिनको हमने वोट दिया है जिनको हमने elect किया है they become the part of gram Gram Panchayat. Clear, students? So now we will read this part from your book. What happened after people elect their representative? How are decisions made? Let's look at how this takes place in the rural area. Here we look at Gram Sabha, which is meeting. Gram Sabha, which is a meeting where people directly participate and seek answer from their elected representatives. So Gram Sabha क्या है? It is a meeting जहाँ पे सारे members of Gram who are adult, that is 18 years or above, they come and they ask to the Gram Sabha, that is the elected members of the village, and they just put their problems and want the solution. जैसे कि क्लास में अगर कोई कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गया तो सारे बच्चे एक साथ मिलते हैं, they discuss the problem with the teachers and the teacher gives the solution. So in the same way the teacher is Gram Panchayat and the class is Gram Sabha. What students? Gram Sabha is a meeting of all adults who live in the area covered by the Panchayat. This could be only one village or a few villages. In some states, as in example above, a village meeting is held for each village. Anyone who is 18 years old or more who has the right to vote is a member of Gram Sabha. So depend करता है कि एक village है कि एक से ज़्यादा village है. It depends upon the number of population in the village. Suppose the number of population is very less in a village, so 2 or 3 villages can be taken together as one gram, one village. But if the population is quite appropriate, then one single village will be a gram. And Gram Sabha means all the adults who had elected, who had voted, they are the member of Gram Sabha. They can participate in Gram Sabha. They can get the answers of their problem from the Gram Panchayat, that is elected members of village or a gram. So in this chapter, one Gram Sabha, एक Gram Sabha कैसा होता है, that is given. So that we will read. Before reading that, few more terms are there that I want to explain to you. That is पंचायत प्रेसिडेंट और सरपंच. जैसे कि हम हर क्लास में we select one monitor, class monitor, who is head of the class. So in the same way, हमने जितने भी कैंडिडेट्स को सेलेक्ट किया है उसमें से एक बनता है सरपंच और वार्ड पंचायत प्रेसिडेंट, वार्ड प्रेसिडेंट और सरपंच. ओके, सपोज आई हैड इलेक्टेड 5 members for our gram panchayat. One will be selected as the leader. He will be panchayat president, ward president or sarpanch. Clear? And the other members, they will be called as members of panchayat. जो बाकी members जो president नहीं हैं, they were called as members of panchayat or panch. Ward or ward member, as I already said, when we talk about the gram, it may be one single village, 2 village or more than that. So एक village को या फिर एक ग्राम को हम छोटे-छोटे sections में divide कर देते हैं. For example, if we think that class 6 is having 50 students, so it will be difficult to control over the class. What I will do, I will make 2 sections. Class 6 Einstein, class 6 Newton. दोनों एक individual ward हुआ. So in the same way, if the population of village is more, that village will be divided in wards. Ward मतलब section. Okay, that village will be divided in different section. Each section is called one ward. As you might be aware, हम जहाँ रहते हैं हम सबको एक ward number मिलता है. That is how a village, a city or town is divided in different wards. And from each ward, we select one representative. That representative is called ward member, and this ward member is to be called by different names in different place. As basically in our area we call them as parshad. Okay students, so now we will see that how the meeting is conducted in this village, that is given in your book. It's a special day today. Everyone rushing to get to Gram Sabha. Do you know why? Because the Gram Sabha is holding its first meeting after the election of new Gram Panchayat. So in this village, election is over, Gram Panchayat is formed. Gram Panchayat means Sarpanch and Panch. So the first Gram Sabha is to be held in the meeting. So every adult in the village, they are rushing for this meeting. Gram Sabha meeting begins with the Panchayat President, Sarpanch, and the member of Panchayat, Panch, presenting a plan on repairing the road that connects to village to main highway. After this, the discussion moves to the subject of water and the water shortage. So normally जब भी कोई मीटिंग होता है, ग्राम सभा और एनी मीटिंग और एनी सभा, द फर्स्ट थिंग व्हाट वी हैव टू डू और द प्रेजेंटर हैज टू डू इज टू प्रेजेंट द एजेंडा. Okay, agenda. Basically, what agenda is? It is about the main points that we are going to discuss in the meeting. Means हमको meeting में जो भी important points discuss करना है, that was made. So for this Gram Sabha, that is we are going to discuss in this chapter. There are two main agenda. One is about the preparation of road. Second is to solve the problem of water shortage. मीन्स आज की हमारी जो ग्राम सभा है इस बारे में बात करेंगे. द फर्स्ट इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द रोड एंड सेकेंड इज प्रॉब्लम रिलेटेड टू द वाटर शॉर्टेज. A villager called Tija began the meeting by saying, "The water problem in Hardas has become very acute." Acute means बहुत ज़्यादा severe हो चुका है ये problem. The hand pump water has gone well below the point up to which the ground has dried. We hardly get any water in the tap. Women have to go to the Suru river, which is 3 kilometers away, to get water. One of the members suggests piping water from the Suru and making an overhead tank in the village to increase the supply. So we had seen that the Gram Sabha meeting had started. एक villager खड़ा होता है, वो बोलता है in our village Hardas the problem of water, the shortage of water, this problem is growing and we should take some immediate solution to this problem. क्योंकि पानी नहीं है इसलिए जो women of the village है उनको 3 किलोमीटर जाना पड़ता है to collect the water. अब इसके बाद one by one एक एक suggestions आना शुरू होता है. फर्स्ट सजेशन वाज दैट कि एक वाटर टैंक बनाया जाए विलेज में फ्रॉम द वाटर फ्रॉम द रिवर सुरू एंड दैट वाटर विल बी स्टोर्ड इन द टैंक. सो फ्रॉम द टैंक द वाटर कुड बी सप्लाइड टू द होल विलेज. बट द अदर थिंग दैट दिस विल बी एक्सपेंसिव. इट इज बेटर दे फील टू डीपेन द हैंड पंप्स एंड क्लीन द वेल्स फॉर दिस सीजन. फर्स्ट ओपिनियन हमने देख लिया, इट वाज टू बिल्ड एन ओवरहेड टैंक. अब कुछ लोगों को ऐसा लगता है फॉर बिल्डिंग अ टैंक इट विल बी वेरी एक्सपेंसिव. सो ज़्यादा अच्छा ऑप्शन क्या है कि जो हैंड पंप्स है उनको थोड़ा और गहरा किया जाए, जो भी वेल्स है उनको क्लीन किया जाए ताकि वाटर लेवल जो है वो इंक्रीज हो. फ्यू मोर सजेशंस वी विल सी. Teacher says, "This is not enough. We need to do something more permanent as groundwater level seems to be going down every year. We are using more water than it's seeping into the ground." So एक जो villager Tija, according to him, the deepening of bores and wells and building an over tank, this is not a permanent solution because इस ग्राम में वाटर जो प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ये इसीलिए हो रहा है कि ग्राउंड वाटर जो है वो धीरे धीरे नीचे जा रहा है. मीन्स हम बहुत सारा पानी कंज्यूम कर लेते हैं बट ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन उतना पानी हमारे अर्थ में नहीं जा पाता है. एज यू ऑल नो दैट नाउअडे मोर एंड मोर कॉन्क्रीट लैंड भी है. सो वाटर जो नीचे सीप होता है, जो नीचे जाता है, दैट इज रिड्यूस्ड. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू टीचर फॉर दिस वी नीड सम परमानेंट सॉल्यूशन. Another member, Anwar, then tells everyone that he has seen a way of conserving water. Basically, conserving means to secure, to save, and recharging, that is refilling it in a village in Maharashtra, where he had once gone to visit his brother. It was called watershed development, and he had heard that the government gave money for this project. In his brother's village, people had planted trees, constructed check dams and tanks. Everyone thought this was an interesting idea and the Gram Panchayat was asked to find about its detail. So here we can see that means one of the villager who had visited one of his cousins, his friend's house, और उसने देखा कि उस विलेज में भी सेम प्रॉब्लम था जो हरदास विलेज में है कि ग्राउंड वाटर नीचे आ रहा है। तो उसके लिए उस विलेज ने क्या किया था, दे हैड स्टार्टेड वाटरशेड डेवलपमेंट। बेसिकली ये एक प्रोजेक्ट होता है और इस प्रोजेक्ट में क्या किया जाता है, जो भी रेन वाटर आ रहा है वो क्योंकि बहकर नालियों में मिक्स हो जाता है, तो ऐसा ना करते हुए उस पूरे रेन वाटर को वापस ग्राउंड में भेज दिया जाता है, जिससे कि ग्राउंड वाटर लेवल जो है वो स्थिर रहता है, दैट विल बी स्टेबल। सो ये बहुत ही अच्छा आइडिया है। एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, बिकॉज अगर आप ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट अपने विलेज में लगा रहे हो तो गवर्नमेंट जो है वो आपको फाइनेंस करेगी, गवर्नमेंट आपको फंड देगी, आपको पैसा देगी। सो इट इज नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव, दैट इज वेरी गुड आइडिया। मोर ओवर, more and more planting trees will help to solve this problem, and it is very cheap। and we can also build check dams। check dams क्या होता है कि जब पानी गिरता है तो रिवर में बहुत सारा पानी इकट्ठा हो जाता है, तो अगर हम चेक डैम्स बनाएंगे तो जो एक्स्ट्रा वाटर है उसको हम छोटे छोटे कैनाल्स बनाकर एग्रीकल्चर पर्पस के लिए यूज कर सकते हैं। इवन दिस इज आवर गवर्नमेंट फाइनेंस्ड प्रोजेक्ट, सो दैट्स नॉट वेरी एक्सपेंसिव। सो फाइनली ग्राम सभा के जो मेंबर्स हैं वो डिसाइड करते हैं कि दैट इज अ वेरी गुड आइडिया दैट इफ यू मेक द वाटरशेड डेवलपमेंट एंड चेक डैम्स, because it's not very expensive, government will give the money, so we can adopt to solve the problem of water shortage in the village। So in this way we had discussed that what is gram sabha, what is gram panchayat, who is panchayat president, who is sarpanch, who are the members of panchayat and panch, what is ward, what is ward member। Clear students? So I think this much is sufficient from today's class। Again in next class we will start with the continuation of gram sabha and we will discuss the important points of the chapter। Thank you students।